Lisa, thank you so much. I totally enjoyed going up to NEPPA. I loved everyone, and it was the award ceremony was great. And so I'm so curious, what did everyone think about the presentation?
I think everyone loved it. Super high energy. People were jazzed. I think they found ways that they could take immediate action to improve their LinkedIn profiles. It was fantastic. I felt like the buzz was great. Through the surveys, many people said we want more events like this. It really made a difference. And I know that you had one-on-ones all day after your talk, which was so exciting. So, how did you feel about it, Adrienne?
Okay, let me ask you this question. Did I actually dance before I started speaking?
There
I
we
did.
go.
I thought I did a little dance. That's how happy I was to be there. So the suppliers, I loved having the room with the distributor suppliers. Someone said that there's not a lot, that of information that can be shared for both the
Right.
distributors and suppliers. So I was glad to do it. I mean, there's more digging around to do, but I love the opportunity. And if I really would love it if it's okay with you, if I could use your name as a reference for some of the other associations so I
Of
can
course.
share with them. So thank you so much. It was really just a great time.